Hello everyone, this is Rita and today I'm practicing the whiteboard interview questions. Let's start with a singly linked list, and today I'm going to practice insert at front, insert at end and print the linked list. For insert a new node at front of the linked list, first step we just have to create a new node. The node in our linked list has two components, data and next pointer which points to the next node, which contains the address of the next node. For example, if this node at address 210, it means that this next contains this address, is the address of this node. It's a single linked list. The last node points to the null pointer and the first node contains the head contains the address of our first node. It means we have to make our new node a new head. We just have to relink this head, point to our new node, and node next point to the next node. Let's implement and write our code. We will write our function as a void function. At first we will insert at front. We will pass our head as a parameter and int value. At first we have to create our new node. And we will make our next of new nodes next, point to the next node. Before that, our head contained address of this node, address 200. It means we just have to point to the same address, to point to the head. And now our new head equals new node. That's it. That's it for this function, insert node, insert a new node at front. To print a singly linked list, we just need one pointer. Let's create a new pointer temp, which will point to the head. And the head points to the first node, contains the address of the first node. To print our linked list, we just have to traverse this temporary pointer to move it until it hits null pointer. And we will print each value. So our function will look like that. Print list. At first we have to create our temporary pointer and we will assign to the head. It means it will point to the same address as the head, to the first node. And we will traverse our temp pointer until it hits null pointer. We will move this pointer one by one. With each iteration we will move our temp. Temp equals temp points to the next node. But before that, what we're going to need? What we need? We need to print the value inside. It means before this line we will see out. Actually, I will make more space here and we will print data inside of temp one by one. Temp data, that's it. Our list will be printed. Now let's look at the function how to insert a new node at the end of the list. We have to create our temporary pointer, which we will assign to the head. We will traverse our list starting from the head. Let's write our function. Wait. Insert at end. We will receive our head and int value. Because the last node points to the null pointer, it means we have to create new node and point to the null pointer as well, because we want to insert our node in the end of the list. Let's create our node. Node, new node equals new node, and let's point new nodes next to the null pointer. Let's create our node and we will point new nodes next to the null pointer. At first let's check whether or not our list contains nothing. If head equals null pointer, it means we just have to If the head equals null pointer, it means it's not contains the address of the first node. It means there is no nodes in the list yet, and we have to make our new node our new head. New node equals head and return. Otherwise, we have to traverse through the list and find the end of the list. As in previous example, we have to create our temp pointer, starting from the head. What is this place? It's temps next. This is temp next, and this is temp points to the next. So we have to find this place. It means we will traverse until temp is points to next. This is place. Until temp is points to next. It's not equals null pointer. When we found the place where we want to insert our node, we just have to relink our nodes, relink our pointers. So how to do that? We have to relink this node. What node is that? This is temp. Temp's next. We need to relink it point here to the news nodes next. I will make some more space here. So how to relink this node? Temps next equals new nodes next. That's it.